more than anything, boys, which you'll never see in Australian cricket dressing room, the whole culture is underpinned by this fantastic sense of spirituality and spirit. I mean, every day, bar none, there is this unbelievable discipline. You can be walking to the lift and there'll be prayer time, and at the base of the lift, there'll be all of the team in unison praying. So it's a phenomenal cultural experience for me personally, but to see the way that they engage with each other, to see the way they engage with their own sense of spirituality and purpose around their country is phenomenal.